Hello everyone, it's my pub. Where does the name for Belgrano come from? So today I'm in Belgrano, and it's a small sort of caravan park but a bit of a town as well in North Wales, in Conwy. Now you might have noticed, but Belgrano is not a Welsh word or an English word. Well, there's a story behind it. Back in 1930, a Captain Robert Roberts bought this chunk of land, decided to do it up ready for tourism. I decided to name it after a place he met whilst he was a sailor, called Puerto Belgrano in Argentina. Now, Belgrano was named in 1920s after a general in Argentina, and he has a Spanish name, and ultimately his name means good grains, because bel, like bella, like beautiful or good, and grano, meaning grains. Anyway, deal. Subscribe for more. And check out my link in my bio. You can find access to my Patreon to support me, or you can check out my website or my other social medias. Deal.